Do you ever wonder what products are formed when a simple metal oxide reacts with water? The formation of bases like hydroxides takes place. Let's explore. Take the white ash of magnesium oxide in a test tube. Add a few drops of water to it and shake it thoroughly. From this, we can conclude that magnesium oxide readily dissolves in water to form magnesium hydroxide. This hydroxide is called a base. Now place 1 or 2 drops of this solution on blue litmus paper. What happens to the blue litmus paper? You will observe that this solution does not affect the blue litmus paper. Now, place 1 or 2 drops of this solution on red litmus paper. The red litmus paper turns blue. This implies that the solution is basic in nature. Does this mean that all metals form basic substances on reacting with atmospheric oxygen and moisture? Let's verify this by taking iron as an example. Take an iron nail and allow it to come in contact with oxygen and moist air. In time, we see the formation of a brown flaky layer called rust. Scrape out some rust powder and dissolve it in water. You will observe that the rust remains suspended in the water. Now, take a few drops of this solution and drop them on the red and blue litmus papers. A color change is observed only in the red litmus paper, which turns blue. This confirms that the rust formed from iron is basic in nature. So, what happens in the case of a relatively unreactive metal, say copper? To understand this, take a copper vessel and allow it to come in contact with atmospheric oxygen, carbon dioxide, and moisture. Copper reacts with these compounds to form copper carbonate and copper hydroxide, which together appears as a green coating on the surface of the vessel. Let's summarize. We have studied the reaction between metallic oxides and water. While adding magnesium oxide in water, it dissolves to form magnesium hydroxide. This hydroxide is called a base. Iron reacts with oxygen and moisture to form rust, which is basic in nature as its solution turns red litmus blue. Copper reacts with moist air to form a green coating due to the formation of copper hydroxide and copper carbonate. You've probably heard about carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide. How are these manufactured in laboratories and what are their properties? Learn more about such oxides and nonmetals in our upcoming videos.
Keep imbibing. We believe in you.